Hi, welcome. It's Yvonne here. I'm coming at you today with a very, for me at least, highly anticipated video of an unboxing of all of the samples that I got and freebies that I got, either through sponsored ads or through apps. And yeah, just a little preview of some of the stuff that I got. So yeah, I have a lot of stuff, little things really to unbox. And so if that's something you're into, definitely keep watching. I get a lot of them to sponsored ads. I have a video on it as well on my channel. I'll link down below. It's always linked down below, so you can see how you can get them too, because they're very easy to get. So yes, I also do a Goodwill out of bin hauls, because the bins obviously is my favorite place to thrift shop. Yeah, I buy a lot of stuff secondhand. Most of the things that I've gotten have been, for the most part, in my purse collection have been second hand. So all the little charms and stuff, yeah, second hand. And the purses, same thing. Some of them are from the bins, and some of them are from like thrift stores or a yard sale or a flea market that I've gone to. So yeah, I try to get good deals on that. So I also resell. So if you're interested in what I have for sale, I do have a lot of great deals on whatever it is that I sell all the time. If you want to see some of the deals that you could have missed, you did miss out on maybe, go check out my Poshmark. I'm under Orejitagirl. If you go look at what I've sold or what's in my closet that's sold, you're going to be like, I missed out on some great deals. Yes, you did. Yes, you did. At one point, I had my mother running it, because I was, I started this when I was still in, working at the time, and so my mom gave really good deals on a lot of stuff. So yeah, but I do too. So if you like anything in my closet, make an offer. I have a pair of Prada men's shoes right now on there, and on eBay. On eBay, I'm under Orejitagirl as well. So follow me on eBay as well. I'm also will accept offers on what I have on eBay. I'm under Luxury Handbag Cheapskate on Instagram and on TikTok. So if you want to go follow me on there, those are my handles for that. But yeah, we're gonna get started with the unboxing, because it is quite a bit, and I may break it into 2 videos. But look at my cute cup that I'm drinking out of. It's a Whataburger cup. Yes, I'm drinking tea because it's my favorite. I'm a Texan girl. And I like drinking tea, but I will say that the cups are not that great, and they do scratch. Look at that. It's scratched right there, and it's scratched in some other little places. So definitely, if you are buying them, they are rolling out a bunch of them. And yeah, they're not the best quality, but you only pay $2 something with a drink, so not a bad deal. At least that's what I paid. Okay, so let's get started. I have a lot of things to get through, and a lot of these are just sponsored ads. If I got the sponsored ad, I will let you know. And yeah, this is the sponsored ad. I already opened it though, because I mean, hello. This is the Ulta MD UV Skin Recovery, Maximize Redness, Maximize Protection. Look at that, and I got 2 samples of that. So it's basically like a sunscreen. One's transparent. They're both transparent zinc oxide sunscreens. So pretty cool, not bad. Not bad. I don't have my light on, and I didn't bring my ring light because, well, I just didn't want to set it up, and then you see rings in my face. So I figured, why would I do that? Okay, so I'm trying to turn on this little ring light that I have here. Hopefully it'll help. I don't know, but it might help. Let's see. Move it around this way. It might, at least when I do a close-up. All right, so the next one is in this little envelope here. So these are all from, if they are sponsored ads, they're coming from SoPost. As you can see, there's SoPost. I also, if you don't know, I recently let my friend know about this. I signed up for delivery notifications with the United States Postal Service. You can go online and just sign up. It's free. They just ask for like a verification to verify, obviously, that you live at the address you live at. I forgot what the verification was that I put in, but it was like something to verify that you live there. and then they send you a screen shot of what it is you're getting in the mail. So for example, if you're getting an envelope, your envelope would come out in the screen just like this in a picture scan, and so you know if you're what day your bills are coming, and you get that alert every day around 8 o'clock. At least that's when I get it. Also, if you're in the package, you get notifications for your packages, so it's always helpful to know that. So just thought I would mention it's free. Just go look up USPS delivery notification, and it'll come up, and you can sign up. Okay, so the next one I got was this one, and that is for the CeraVe AM Facial Moisturizing Lotion SPF 30. I got 2 of those. I've gotten samples from them before, so this is really great. I really do like the CeraVe cleanser, so that's great. And I also got a coupon for the $2 off deal, so that's great too to have. And then next is also another Soap Post one. Here we go, Soap Post. And let's see what this one is. Let's see if I'm just gonna cut it because that's what the cutter is for. It just makes it easier to cut into these envelopes. I may have to cut this short and maybe make 2 parts, but we'll see how time runs. Okay, so this is a Bloomingdale's freebie. Alright. It says, P.S., and here's the Bloomingdale's thing. It says, P.S., you can find your full size at Bloomingdale's.com when you run out. There you go. So let's see what Bloomingdale's sent me. That's nice. Oh, I got Augustinus Bader, the Mineral Sunscreen SPF 50 with TFC8. Yeah, this is a mineral sunscreen with broad spectrum of 50. Look at that. That's so cute, the box. Look at that. There you go. I think the light helped there so that you can see the boxes better. And let's open it up. I'm curious to see what it looks like. Oh yeah, this is nice. Perfect to carry in my purse because I always need sunscreen. So yeah. So that's great. Love that. I'm sure it's expensive being that they have it at Bloomies, but you know, a free sample is a free sample. Okay, so next, so let's open these up. I have 2 of these. I think they're the same thing because it says that they're from, and these were 2 sponsored ads, and those were 2. All of that was to a sponsored ad. This is the Evan-S the Beauty packages. I don't know if you can see that. It says Evan-S the Beauty. So there's that. So let's open this and see what this is. Let's see, this is kind of harder to open, but we'll just tear it open. I'll tear open one, and then I'll open up the other one too. So they're both the same. Alright. Okay, so here's a little card. It says, unlock the secret to radiant beauty with Evan-S the Beauty. You're holding more than just skincare. You're holding an invitation to experience luxury and expertise like never before. Ready to unveil your skin's true glow? Scan the QR code and discover personalized application tips, step-by-step tutorials, beauty tips from experts, exclusive offers to elevate your routine. Your journey to timeless radiance begins here. And so, look at that. Nice, real nice card. And this was a very highly sought after freebie. I saw when they posted it, and I quickly went on and tried to get the sponsored ad to show up, and it did show up for me. Luckily, because I know a lot of people did not get this one. So, oh well, it's so sad. This is the, let's see, I have like a sticker on me. This is the Evan-S the Beauty lotion, the moisturizing lotion. Sample envelope of that. This is the night moisturizer. There you go. Pretty. Really nicely there. And then this is the special eye treatment. So I got 3 of those, and then I got something in a really cute little box. Look at the little box. So fancy. So it says it's the Le Mask Special, or the Special Mask. So that's pretty. It does look expensive, so let's open this up. And oh yeah, this is really nice. Here you go. Here's a little jar of the mask. I'm not going to open it, but there it is. Super nice. Super, super nice. Little container there, so that's perfect to try out. And then the next one is this one here. This is the M&S the Beauty again. The little card, same thing. And then of course the same thing. I got the and I don't know why I got two of these, but I guess my mom will get one of these. This is the moisturizing lotion, night moisturizer, and the same thing, the eye treatment. Here we go. I got three of those. And then I got another one of these little special masks. So perfect, like that. It's really pretty. Look at the crest on that. I don't know if you were able to appreciate it. It's so pretty. So yeah, that's nice. I'll definitely use that for sure. And then I'll jump into the boxes, but this may be a long video. The thing is, I don't want to upload such a long video, so maybe I'll do one more, or we'll see. We'll see how the time goes right now, because I'm trying to be quick about it, but it is taking a bit. So here we go. This one is another one through a sponsored ad. I can tell because of the box. Usually that's what they come in, usually. All right, yeah, this is a nice one. This is the National Nail Polish Day. Essie was doing a giveaway of nail polish. I got a link to sign up. I really just signed myself up and somebody else, and that was it, because by then it was gone. So yeah, this is the Essie National Nail Polish Day. They do stuff for Nail Polish Day, and they also do little like giveaways, also do sponsored ads with Essie. So keep an eye out for those. But this is the color that I got. It's a beautiful color. It's called Pinky Ring, and I think it's one of their. It's the long wear nail polish. It lasts up to 15 days. No UV lamp needed, making it the perfect shade to handle all your summertime adventures. Nice. Beautiful. So love, look at this color. Oh my gosh, this color is so cute. It is like a pinky color. Like, you can't see the color. You can't, it looks like really kind of bright, but it's a little bit more muted. Oh, for sure, but it's like a really nice pinky color. Like that. There you go. That's the color. Oh, it's a beautiful color. I love it. I am excited to do my nails with it. And okay, so I don't know if I should stop the video or keep going, but I think I'm gonna stop the video because I still have like 5 more things to unbox, and I might talk to them, but maybe I'll just do one more. Maybe I'll do one more. Okay. We'll do this one. We'll do this one. This is my tried and true Macy's box. I love these. Absolutely love these. I always get these, thankfully, due to sponsored ads. And the Macy's is one of my favorites to get. Look at this. Look at this. Macy's. Because I get perfume samples. And now they give you like perfume samples and cologne samples separate, I guess. I just got the one for the men's colognes through a sponsored ad for Father's Day, because they're doing like a Father's Day, I guess, promo, you know, trying to push it out. So that's why I got that one. So I'm excited to get that one for my dad. This is the Love Your Fragrances little QR code where you scan and you find your fragrances there. This is Macy's. So, okay, oh, this is the men's one. Okay, well, I wasn't sure because I signed up for too many. I don't even know what they are. This is the Polo 87 for men. I love the way they smell. Smells good. I think my dad will like that. He got the Azzaro Forever Wanted by Azzaro Elixir. That smells pretty good. I actually ordered him one time a Hermes one, and I told him that it was very expensive, and you know, kind of just use it sparingly, and he put the whole thing on. So for the whole day, he smelled like Hermes, whatever the scent was. I was like, Dad, really? Like the whole day. I mean, you could smell him a mile away. I said, you're not supposed to do that. But he was like, well, but this is the Gucci Guilty. He does like Gucci, so I think he'll like that one. I don't buy him cologne, because I did when I was working at the department store I was working at, and I got like a really discount on it. So he got a really nice bottle of Gucci Guilty that he really liked, and he still has it. So yeah, he does use it, but not all the time. This is the Invictus Rabanne, Purple Rabanne. And lastly, I think is this one, and oh, there's one more. This is the Dolce & Gabbana light blue. I think this is the women's as well. I love the light blue. I just love that scent. It's so pretty. It just smells so, I don't know, fresh to me. Oh, this is a nice one. This is the Coach New York for men. Oh yeah, that smells nice. That smells nice. I wish I had money to buy him a bottle of this, but I do not. But that would be really nice. Alright, so that's the video. I'm going to end it here because we're already at like 16 minutes and up. And yeah, come back, and I'll show you what I got in these boxes and these 2 boxes. Alright, well, you know, thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Don't forget to comment, like, subscribe, you know, whatever YouTube out here says. Alright, bye!